Hello boys and girls, welcome to the review about some essential parts to build a camera cage. In this case for the Sony Alpha 7 III. I will show you some pros and contras and give you a couple hints on what to take care of. If you are a filmmaker, you should definitely considering getting a camera cage with some accessories to make filming more easy. All the links are listed in the video description below. Most SMALLRIG products come via Amazon overnight. You can find all the products in these bags. This is the cage for the Sony Alpha 7 III. As you can see, this cage alone offers a lot of 1/4 and 3/8" screw holes. So you can attach accessories for filming around the cage. I thought that the cage would be more heavy. There is an insert at the top right for a video light or microphone. This cage was especially cut for the A7 III and the A7R III. The camera body can be attached to the cage with a single screw. I also ordered this rubberized handle. Rubberized so it does not get too cold for my hands during winter. There's also a hot shoe on top. You will soon find out why I sent this handle back. This construction is very easy. With every SMALLRIG product you get the right tool and the screws. All the accessories can be easily attached to so many screw holes. You will have access to all the ports of the camera using this cage. The camera sits perfectly in place using this cage. Just use a coin to attach the screw on the bottom. Even the battery can be changed really easy. Using the hot shoe on top of the handle allows you to place a microphone or an LED to the grip. I bought this monitor mount or LED mount as a universal bracket. The build quality is second to none. You can load this mount with up to 1.2 kilograms depending on whether your hot shoe supports it or not. Now you can simply attach it to the cage, which I cannot recommend. I bought this mount in addition to my EOS R, for which I don't have a cage, but still want to use my ATOMOS Ninja 5. Alternatively, you can attach the monitor to the handle, but this does not seem to be safe to me if there is a monitor for $800 on top. I will give you an alternative in a few moments. To prevent the HDMI cables being loose or even fall off your camera once you touch them, I recommend a cable clamp. I bought two, which I will show you soon. My choice to keep the monitor attached to the cage would be this one. In terms of price, both brackets are approximately the same. However, this has the advantage that it has a load capacity of up to 1.5 kilograms and it can be attached to the housing much more securely, thanks to the special thread. Now to the problem with this handle here. The monitor can be tilted forward but hits the lens with its battery. Therefore, you need gloves to keep your hands warm and get another handle. This handle has a special thread on top, but it's not rubberized. You can also use a rod from SMALLRIG to attach the monitor to the left or right of the handle. To be honest, I really enjoyed these products. Sure, everything gets more heavy and you need to carry more stuff with you, but it's more robust if something falls off. So I decided to get the ATOMOS Ninja 5 cage. The connections remain free. It was quite difficult to attach the second screw to the Ninja 5 cage. You need to press the cage a bit together to allow the screw to touch the thread of the Ninja 5. The monitor cage also offers many other options for attaching accessories. In practice, the cage does a lot, but something is missing. I don't mean the part on top, but rather the side. Because the cage has become significantly heavier, it's more difficult to hold. So I can recommend to use a wooden handle like this one. Try not to save the $12 because without a rosette, this handle will bring you very little, because it does not fit into the housing. Therefore, be sure to order the rosette with the wooden handle. You can attach it flexible to the entire cage and attach the wooden handle to the rosette at the angle of your choice. A video light can easily be attached using the SMALLRIG magic arm. Yes, as you can see, there are no limits to your creativity. The quality is great and even during transport I could not find that the cage or the accessories are scratched. By the way, I bought this cool bag for the Ninja 5 including the cage. Both fit almost perfectly, including the SSD and two HDMI cables. The battery must be transported separately. Except for the extra weight, I can't really say anything negative about any of these products. I had to try a lot to see what really makes sense and what not. Maybe it will save you some time as well. All the gear I used is listed in the video description below. Thanks for watching, Happy New Year and see you soon.